Hi, it's me, Zayful People Brooks, the British Tech Guru. As you can see, I'm in my electronics lab, and I have a lot of light in here. Well, that's because I've got not one, but two LED light strips wired up now. Progress. But that's not what I want to talk to you about. What I want to talk to you about is a problem I'm getting with the channel. I'm doing a lot of projects that I'm not actually completing, and I've got one right here, and this project, let me get the brightness back. This project is that ESP32 with the memory card reader. I've got a video on this memory card, and I'll have to have a look at the wiring on this. I'm not sure I've got it right, and I have to look at the coding as well, because I can show you a web page, but at the moment I can't show you a video, or I can't. Let me put that differently. When somebody logs onto the hotspot, they can see the web page. They cannot see the video because the video bit is not working at the moment. That requires a little bit of work to get it working, but therein lies the problem. In order to make my YouTube channel successful, YouTube says I have to do short videos. That's in order to get my subscribers up to, well, I'm there on, I believe 879 today. And this is a trap. Because in order to get the subscribers in, I have to produce a lot of short videos. And because I'm doing the short videos, I'm not doing any long videos, or very many long videos. And the short videos are what brings in subscribers, apparently. And it is painfully slow, because I'm up to what, 879, and I've been doing this for nearly 3 years. You know, there are times when I just want to give up, but I'm not going to give up because I'm stupid like that. I don't give up. Anyway, I've got these conflicting objectives. So I have to produce short videos. I settled on 2 a day in order to accelerate the process of growing the channel, of gaining the subscribers. Now, I'm not going to beg for subscribers. No, I'm not going to do that. If people want to subscribe, great. If they don't want to subscribe, equally great. I'm not going to beg people to subscribe. I'm not going to beg people to click notification bells and that kind of thing, because that's what all the other channels do, and I'm different. I don't want to do that. I want to be myself, doing my own things, and because YouTube is coming between me and doing my own things, I want to do long videos, but I need to get the subscribers up. And I've got a ton of electronics here that I can work on. I've got a ton of projects that I haven't actually completed and I need to work on. And why is this thing going dark all the time? Anyway, so I'm conflicted. I need the long videos to get the viewing hours up. I need the short videos to get the subscribers in. And I need to publicize the channel because my viewing hours, my YouTube viewing hours is on 515. Now, I know there's a lot more viewing goes on than that, but that's what YouTube says. It's 515 for the year, and they want 3,000, and they also want me to have 1,000 subscribers. Well, once I've got the 1,000 subscribers, I can relax on the short videos and work on doing the long videos. Now, my calculation is, if subscribers increase at the rate they have been, it should be mid-January, but the rate has just slowed down, so I'm not sure. It could be February, March, April, who knows. And I'm finding it a little bit of a strain at the moment to come up with all these short videos. I've got another 8 to do this week, and I can only do them at the weekend. And this is the problem. I have okay, I have a very busy day job that oh dear, it's going dark again. Oh, come on, let's have some light. There we are. I have this very busy day job that I wish it would stop going dark. The very busy day job. My alarm clock goes off at 4 in the morning. I then head off to work. I'm at work at 5:30, and I work then from 5:45 a.m. until about 4:30, 4:45 p.m. It's a long day. And sure, I get a big lunch. I get a couple of hours for lunch, but the rest of the time it's quite stressful work that leaves me absolutely exhausted at the end of the day. So all I do is I come home, eat my evening meal, veg, go to bed. I'm in bed by 8 o'clock. 8 in the afternoon, 8 p.m. Yep, that's an early bedtime for most of you. But then I have an early 4 a.m. rise. Then by the time the weekend comes, I'm still fairly exhausted. I tried to get probably about 7 videos done on Saturday. Of course, complicating that, at the moment I'm looking after a sick puppy. Well, puppy, she's 10 years old. And not just that, but I have a sick lady I'm looking after. And she finds moving about a little bit difficult. So I have to do a lot. I have to do all her transport, and I have to take days off when she needs to go to the doctor, which is quite a lot. So yeah, I don't get any days off to myself. And we're not married. I'm basically her best buddy. Anyway, so I've got all this going on, and I'm trying to do videos, and I'm trying to fulfill these ridiculous quotas that YouTube has given me. And I feel that monetization should come as soon as you publish your first video. But they decide, no, you've got to have 3,000 or 4,000 hours of viewing in a year and 1,000 subscribers. So it's a little bit, I won't say it's an unattainable goal, but it's a challenging goal to meet. And I wonder if I turn the other light off, whether I'm going to get better luck. Okay, let's see. Might work, I don't know. Anyway, so it's the YouTube goals are a little bit challenging, and I want the freedom to create my own videos that people will watch. Now, I tried doing it the other way, just putting the videos out there, but nobody watched them because I didn't have it. There we go. I didn't have any subscribers. And it seems that subscribers are what drives the YouTube algorithm. If you don't have any subscribers, you don't get any exposure. Now, some of my videos get shown after 12 hours, even now, have only been shown 2 or 3 times in the feed. And which is a little bit frustrating, and which underscores my need to produce 14 a week. And the whole thing, it's challenging and stressful. And I'm doing my best, but I feel like I'm fighting the algorithm the whole time. And all I want to do is to have a successful channel that people want to watch. And I'm doing this for myself, and honestly, I would really like an extra little bit of money, and it would pay for some of my electronics. But I'm not going to beg for donations. No, 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 no. I don't do that. No. So, bear with me. I'm doing my best. And sometimes it's just things just get on top. And I will get out 14 videos this week, even if I have to shoot a couple of really appalling videos during my lunch hour. And I really want my videos to be high quality. And one of my latest projects, I'm redoing the worktop in the one area on this school bus conversion. This is actually a school bus motorhome that I'm turning into more of an electronics lab. So it's a kind of combination electronics lab motorhome. And after having found that this wonderful 3D printer, which I don't know if you can see, I'm touching it right now, this wonderful 3D printer did not, where's the brightness gone? Come on, give me some brightness. This wonderful 3D printer did not perform as I required it. So, and that's because I can't control the humidity in here. So what I'm doing is I've just ordered and paid for one of those Chinese micro lathes. Now it'll only do soft material, aluminium, brass, wood, plastic, but that's fine. That's all I need for robotics. And there are a couple of projects that I can't do because I don't have the robotic parts. And I've got cogwheels and axles and whatnot, and electric motors and stepper motors, but I need to build chassis. And the only way to do that is if I use aluminium strip, drill it, mill it, and whatnot. So, and I am going to build a little drill press of my own. Now, had I realised that I could have used that lathe is reconfigurable as a drill press and as a milling machine, then I might have bought two and used one as a milling machine and one as a drill press and one as a lathe. But oh well, never mind. I just have to order a couple more bits now, and I've got my perfect little drill press. So that's what's going on, and yeah, and what with all looking after sick dogs, sick people, I'm feeling a little down at the moment, but things will improve. They always do. And I just need to get this YouTube channel to be successful, and I hope you're going to stick around and watch. Well, it's been me, Zayful Beaver Brooks, the British Tech Guru.